Hello guys, in this video we will solve the problem of the unavailability of the Marketplace feature, or the Marketplace is not present, or any problem you have related to the Marketplace feature on Facebook. All you have to do is the steps explained in this video and complete the video to the end before broadcasting in the explanation. Thank you to everyone who supports me. Thank you to everyone who subscribed to the channel. Thank you to everyone who liked the video. Let's go through the explanation. The first step is to activate our Facebook account and make sure that the privacy settings in the Facebook Shortcuts bar are correct. The problem may only be ending the Facebook Shortcuts bar, and the Marketplace feature is hidden from the Facebook Shortcuts bar only from the settings. How do we solve this problem? It is easy. Just long press on any of these icons in the Facebook Shortcuts bar. After that, this interface will appear. We click on Customize Notification Bar. After that, we search for the Marketplace feature if it is here, and you will find it here. If it is hidden, click on Install. After that, it will return, and you will find it has appeared in the Facebook Contacts bar. The next step is age restriction. The age on your Facebook may be less than 18 years old. If you have an age on your Facebook account that is less than 18 years old, it will not appear, or the Marketplace feature will not appear. Therefore, you have to make sure of the age. How is that? Age is easy. Just go to your profile icon, then click on Settings and Privacy, then click on Settings. After that, click on Personal Information and change your age. The next step is to change the language. The problem may only be with the language. Change the language of your phone to any language other than the language you have. Change it to English or any other language. After that, try the next step, which is geographical restrictions. Your geographical location on Facebook may not support the Marketplace feature. This means that there are some geographical locations in which the Marketplace feature does not work. Therefore, change your geographical location, or make sure that your geographical location supports the Marketplace feature. The next step is to update Facebook. Go to the App Store. Then, update the application. Your Facebook, when you do all these steps, restart my phone. The solution to the problem is OK. If it is not solved now, we move on to the last step, which is to contact Facebook support. How do we go to our profile icon, click on it, then click on Help and Tiers, then click on Report the problem. After that, we click on the following. Here in this interface, we choose or open the list. We choose and click on it. After that, we write a description of the problem. We write this message that I will say now. Hello, Facebook support team. The Marketplace feature is not available to me and I have a problem with it. Please solve the problem. After that, you take a screenshot or a screenshot of the Facebook interface so that the Marketplace does not exist or the problem you have appears in it. After that, we click on Add that screenshot and we include it with the report and click on Send. Now you are waiting for the Water President to solve your problem. For suggestions, inquiries or any problems, write them in the comments and see you later.